So today we are going to start with C programming language. So it was developed by Dennis Ritchie in the 1970s as a middle level programming language from its ancestors such as R. R is also a programming language. So what does it mean by middle level programming language? It means that you can write system level codes that are related to the operating system. Also you can develop games and stuff. So before we start with our first C program, we need to understand what are the data types in C. This is one of the most important parts in understanding the C language. These 5 are the basic data types that are available in C. What are these? Char. This means characters. We can store multiple things such as hello or any character such as A, B or C. Then we have int, that is integer data type. So integer data type means we can store any sort of number. Remember, we can't store any sort of decimal numbers because for decimal numbers we have got a different data type, that is float and double. What does float mean? Float is meant for storing decimal numbers in which the maximum amount of numbers after the decimal are 6. As you can see in the example, 5.123456. If you want to store more digits after decimal number, you can use the double data type, such as 5.123456789012. There are 12 digits after the decimal number. Another is void. Void means nothing. So, well, it means nothing, not even 0. Even storing 0 will be under the integer data type because it is storing a number. But as void data type has nothing, we can't even say that it is 0. It is absolutely nothing. You don't have anything stored within that variable. So let's start with our first program, Hello World. This is the basic structure of a C file. Remember, every C file ends with an extension .c, which denotes that that particular file has a C program written in it. And this part, the 6 lines, are the basic structure for a C program. They are required for each and every C program. The first line that you can see here is known as a header file. We will discuss about header files later, but we must know that stdio.h contains 2 functions, scanf and printf. If we don't import stdio.h, that is a header file, C program can't understand the meaning of these 2 commands, which we are going to use here in the example below. We will use the printf function. This is the main function. In any C program, the main function is from where the program will start executing. So let's take an example of hello world. I will write printf. Inside the double quotes, I will give hello world. What does this mean? This is the main function. The program will start executing line by line, right? So it will go to the first line inside the main function printf. The program will search what is printf, what is the meaning of printf. It will go to the header files. Inside the stdio.h header file, the meaning of printf is defined. It tells the computer to print whatever is written between the double quotes. You must see these double quotes. Inside the double quotes, I have written whatever I want to print, and I will run the program. Oh, I have missed a semicolon right here. You must also remember that we need a semicolon on the end of each line, that is inside the main function, as well as during declarations. We will see more about that later. So we will run the program again. Now no errors, we have printed hello world.